Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best throw blankets in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Decorative Extra Soft Fuzzy Faux Fur Throw Blanket 50x60. Solid, reversible, lightweight, long hair shaggy blanket. Fluffy, cozy plush, comfy microfiber fleece blankets for couch, sofa, bedroom, cream white. CFT Fabrec and Reversible design. These fuzzy blanket are made of 100% high-quality polyester microfiber. 4 cm long hair fabric and skin-friendly mink fleece reverse are seamlessly sewed together with durable seam. No fading, no deformation, and no easy-to-cause fiber shedding. These throw blankets are lightweight, warm, not a thick blanket, perfect for all season. The luxurious and stylish look make it perfect for Christmas decor. Bilan KET size and ELEGANT color -50x60. 130*150 centimeters. This fluffy blanket comes in rich colors and proper size that will nicely decorate your home with sumptuous texture and style. Number 4. Sunbeam Royal Mink Sherpa Night Fog Heated Personal Throw/Blanket. Cozy, warm, adjustable heat settings. Snuggle up with the Sunbeam Royal Mink Sherpa Heated Throw to beat those winter chills. Indulge yourself with its luxurious and ultra-comfy material with reverse side Sherpa to keep you toasty all night long or warm as you unwind. Easy-to-use detachable controller with 4 heat settings and a 4-hour auto shut-off feature for peace of mind. Remove the controller and place the blanket into the washer and dryer for easy cleaning. One side is silky while the other side is Sherpa, so any way that you want to cuddle with a Sunbeam Heated Throw Blanket is a win. Bits Editor Favorite Electric Throw Blanket is equipped with 3 different heat settings delivered through its thermofine warming technology, though it feels almost exactly like a normal blanket. Number 3. Bauer Throw Blanket Textured Solid Soft Sofa Couch Covered Decorative Knitted Blanket 50x60 Beige. Construction and size. Made of 100% high-quality acrylic, very soft touch, cozy warm sofa throw. Strong anti-sunlight and excellent fastness. The decorative pattern of one side matches the decoration of the room more. Measures 50x60. Quality in D8 process. Use high-speed weaving equipment, high knitted density, skillfully crafted design with geometric pattern, and rolled fringed edges for a beautiful finish. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Environmental printing dyeing doesn't shed and dust-proof breathable light fastness. Bauer guarantees to provide 1-month return and replacement service and lifetime free customer service. Number 2. Everlasting Comfort Luxury Plush Blanket. Cozy, soft, fuzzy faux fur throw blanket for couch. Ideal comfy minky blanket for adults for cold nights, gray. 2 blankets in 1. Our soft blanket features a fox animal print on one side and a classic solid print on the other. Applies to gray, chocolate, black, and arctic blue throw blankets. The only double sided Faux blanket. Ours is the only throw with the same plush faux fur on both sides. Stop trying to figure out which side of the fuzzy blanket is the comfy side. They both are perfect for solo use or sharing. Our soft throw blanket measures 50x65 inches. This comfortable size accommodates individuals, couples, and families while relaxing indoors or outdoors. Number 1. Eddie Bauer Throw Blanket Reversible Sherpa Fleece Bedding. Buffalo plaid home decor for all seasons. Red check. Throw. The Eddie Bauer best-selling flannel throw collection is timeless and seasonless. Our flannel is brushed for a super soft hand. Each iconic design reverses to Eddie's iconic Faux shearling popcorn fleece for the ultimate warmth and coziness. Each throw is 50x60, making it easily packable and perfect for travel. Packaged thoughtfully in a ribbon and insert card, ready for gifting. Available in multiple designs, sold separately. Machine washable for easy care. Don't let the rustic flannel style fool you. This is the blanket equivalent of glamping. Lightweight and lined with a plush Sherpa backing, The Bauer Flannel Sherpa throw blanket is ideal for wrapping up with by the fireplace. It comes in a number of different cozy-looking plaid patterns too.